Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics.
Hi, we had a quick last-minute addition to Banner It and Banner It Pro, and so I wanted to pop over here into Photoshop and demonstrate it real quick for you. You'll notice now when you open up your template, you also have a string layer. If you turn that string layer on, you will see, and zoom in here, you'll see a handy little string there. You'll probably want to turn your stitches off if you're going to use the string. Now the string layer can be colorized by simply locking it down on the layer palette and choosing whatever color you want to use, and then filling this layer with that color. On the Mac, just fill that with your foreground color. That's going to be Option Delete. On the PC, that would be Alt Delete. And I think a little bit darker colors probably in order there. And then you have colorized your string. Also in the kit was included an extra style that was not mentioned previously, and that's right here, the Banner It string style. And so you can actually take a brush. This here is the medium wet flow oil brush that comes standard in Photoshop, and you can paint right on your string layer. Well, let's unlock it first. We can paint right on the string layer, and as long as that style is applied, we'll get kind of that string texture there. And you can use a variety of different brushes here if you want. Now the one thing I did want to point out is that this string style uses the canvas pattern. The canvas pattern is part of Photoshop's built-in or included pattern sets. And if you don't have it loaded, it's easy to do. You just go to Edit, Preset Manager, go to your patterns, click on this arrow, and say Artist Surfaces. When that comes up, click Append. And what that append does is add those textures to the end of what has already been loaded into Photoshop. If you click OK, it will replace everything. So make sure you click Append unless you already have them loaded. Then you don't even have to do this. And they should also be available in Photoshop Elements as well. So go look over there in your preset manager and see if they're already loaded. Traditionally, this set is preloaded into Photoshop and Elements when you open it. So unless you've replaced your patterns, you probably won't even have to go through that step. So that's all I wanted to show you. I hope that this has been helpful to add a little string to your banners. Thanks for watching.